Hello guys, I am showing you how I clean my face guys. So keep on watching. Hello guys, so I'm gonna show you how I clean all this makeup on my face guys. So I don't know what would be if it's good video, I don't know, but it's a little bit dark in here in the restroom guys, so please forgive me, but I will show you how I'll clean all of this guys. No what is this, cleansing wipes, so I'll be back. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see me. I think I have to put up a little bit the camera guys. Give me a minute. Okay guys, I will, to melt all the makeup guys, I will use the Pharmacy Green Clean by Pharmacy. That's the name of this one guys. So I have one in my bathroom. This is our other bathroom guys. So I took the new one guys because the one that I have in my restroom is almost gone. So I don't know that they have this one is a scoop guys. I don't even know that. I think this is a scoop. Let me get, this is a scoop. Oh, this is the scoop. This is the scoop. Okay, so you grab guys, just this much. You put it in your hand guys. That's how you do. Okay, put it back. Melt it in your hands. Melt. Oh my goodness. So you melt it, so like that, like oil. And then you put it in your face. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be messy. Look like a panda. A panda. It's so weird. And then your vision is a little bit blurry after this. Okay, I think that is good. Let me put water guys. Water. Makeup is gone. Okay, we have 3-step guys. So second step is the Tatcha guys. Tatcha pure 1-step. So just 1, 2, 3 pumps. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, guys. And the third last step to wash your face, guys, is from pharmacy also. Oh, I love pharmacy. Clean Bee. Just a little. Okay, we are done, guys. We're clean. And yeah. I'm gonna wipe my face. And then I'm gonna film again. But if I'm not filming, guys, I will put my toner, moisturizer, whatever is that, but I'll put that in a separate video, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If you love makeup, clean your face. So don't go to sleep without with makeup. But thank you for watching, guys. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.